What's up guys, Jason here, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a tulip twist. So it's actually pretty tricky if you first learn how to twist balloons. So I'm going to teach you the easiest way. What you're going to do is just inflate your 260 as normal. Make sure to release some pressure. Right off. So now, the tricky part. Okay. First, take your finger, push the knot inside. What you're gonna do is, you pinch it and try to feel the knot and pinch the knot that's inside. Okay? Twist it a few times. And you can either wrap it around a flower or you can just tie it off with a piece of string to hold it in place. Or maybe you can push the knot back inside after you twist it. This is the most trickiest one. There you go. This is after I've pinched the knot. I've pushed the knot back into the middle of the tulip. So yeah, so this is how you make a tulip twist. So if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.